Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Confirm your account and retrieve API keys so you can authenticate immediately. Once done, gather channel ID and required permissions for the specific provider to avoid mid-setup interruptions. Next, open the service dashboard, choose the provider entry, and click Activate. Make sure to accept OAuth prompts and grant scopes. This first action sequence gets your environment live and prevents permission errors when you move to configuration. You now configure the channel. Map incoming and outgoing routes by specifying webhooks and endpoints so messages flow correctly. Set retry policies like 3 retries to handle transient failures. Then translate data formats, define payload structure and field mappings, and include 1/2 fallback values for missing fields to preserve integrity. Also set throttling and rate limits, plus filters and escalation rules so high-priority items get handled first. These middle steps ensure robust, predictable behavior when traffic ramps up. You finish by running stage tests, send sample messages, confirm receipts, and inspect logs for HTTP status codes so you verify end-to-end delivery. Once stable, monitor delivery percentage, latency, and error rates while enabling alerts tied to thresholds. Deploy live with rollback steps and owner contacts in place. Make sure to document who responds to incidents. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to check authentication/token expiry first. Renew tokens, rerun the test, then move to network or parsing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.